The overall goal of this eye-tracking paradigm is to use an oculomotor-based technique to assess cognitive functions in patients with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, who are unable to speak and write.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of potential cognitive deficits in patients with severe physical impairments such as ALS. The main advantage of this technique is that it uses eye movement to conduct neuropsychological testing in ALS patients and therefore is suited for patients who are unable to speak or write.
Though this method was developed for patients with ALS, it can also be applied to other patient samples unable to speak and write, but with intact oculomotor control.
For this experiment, use a portable eye movement recording device with goggles. Optimize eye movement detection by adjusting the cameras in all 6 degrees of freedom. Next, set up a standardized oculomotor testing paradigm, such as a series of saccadic tasks, in order to detect deficits in eye movement control. Use software to present these tasks on a hemicylindrical screen via a projector that is mounted above where the participant will sit. Finally, in preparation for the second part of the experiment, check that a red laser spot, which will be used for the eye-tracking-based version of the D2 test, appears correctly on the screen. Begin by asking the participant to turn off all potentially disturbing devices.